Let me go ahead and show you a couple of these new, very convenient sprinkler adjustment tools that I keep handy for when I need to adjust my different sprinklers. First scenario here, we've got your traditional pop-ups. Now, this has a nice feature. You use these needle points here if you want to pull up to get access to the neck of the sprinkler. Otherwise, it can be kind of hard using your fingers unless you have maybe this tool to pry it up, but I find this is a pretty simple way to just attach that in the inner ring there, and you can gain access. Once you have this up here, you can use this to grasp onto the neck and just hold it, and then it's there if you need to go do something. Maybe you want to go swap out a different sprinkler. Otherwise, while you have access to this, you can unscrew the nozzle if you want to maybe clean out the filter. So yeah, I'm really happy I have this tool in my toolbox. And then of course you have the screwdriver where you're able to get in here and increase or decrease the spray intensity. Now I also have some Rainbird rotor sprinklers, so you can go ahead and take this tool. You see how it's got this kind of a T shape, which fits right in here for you to put in there and then twist, and then you can gain access if you need to grab the neck and then maybe want to swap out one of the nozzles. You can do that. So very easy to gain access by that way. And of course you can always use this to adjust the angles as well as the spray intensity. And you just go right in there. Easily adjust your spray pattern as well as the angle.